What's up, guys? It's about 4:30 in the morning, Saturday. What is it? The 26th. Um, I've actually wondered about this noise before, and I think I put a video on it, but it's still there. You hear that? See what it's giving me right there? Now this is on lower sideband. Alright. And but look here, I'll switch it to AM or I'll upper sideband. Disappears. AM. It's not there. FM. Nothing. Alright. AM, upper sideband, lower sideband. Or even just the slight frequencies. Look at that. Nothing. Look at that. That's like 10 dBs on lower sideband on that frequency. Only. Well, there's actually, I think, two. It's this one, and I think there's another one, like on 24 megahertz, that does the same thing. I'm curious. Does anybody have any idea what that is? I mean, that's just a flat tone being transmitted out at 10 dBs of my fucking ground plane out there. So I don't know which direction it's coming from. I mean, I don't know. If anybody has any ideas or knows what it is, hey, throw me something down there in the chat or in the comment section or whatever. That's at a very, very high rate of a hertz, evidently, because I mean, you hear how fast that is. It's almost into a ringing sound. You know what I mean? It's not like a buzz or a tone. It's almost like a ringing. Anyway, if I ever come across odd noises, man, and I get the chance to record them, I'm gonna throw them on. I'm gonna record them and ask you guys what you guys think. But anyway, y'all have a good one out there. This is the 1122 Wingnut Radio down here in Panama, and I'll be listening to everything.